Want Walmart to bag and put labels on the items for you? No problem. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Walmart WFS. So log in, go to WFS, and send in your inventory. Right? Next, you're going to simply click what inventory you want to send in, and you're going to click Send Inventory. Click that button. After that, you're going to fill out these details, but you're going to see a pack and label option. And this is where you can pay Walmart to put poly bags on your item. We'll package each sellable unit in a loose, clear bag for 60 cents per unit, or put labels on the units for you. So this one's 45 cents per unit. We'll place a readable, scannable UPC label on every sellable unit, right? Now, if you forget to put these and your items need to be polybagged or your items need standard labels, they're gonna charge you an extra 20 cents. So make sure you don't lie. If you need it, click it. If you send items in to Walmart and you didn't click this, they're gonna charge you an extra 20 cents if it's needed on your items. So make sure you do that, but that's how you enable poly bags or standard labels so Walmart can do some of the work for you. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on what you think about Walmart compared to Amazon. Do you like Walmart better or Amazon? If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.